everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about breastfeeding basics for new moms. Breastfeeding is a natural and healthy way to feed your baby. It provides important nutrients, antibodies, and comfort that support your baby's growth and immune system. In the first few days after birth, your body produces colostrum. This is a thick, yellowish milk pack with nutrients and protective properties. Even small amounts are powerful for your baby. One important key to successful breastfeeding is proper latch. Make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but also part of the areola. A good latch helps prevent discomfort and allows your baby to feed effectively. Try to feed your baby on demand, usually 8 to 12 times in 24 hours for newborns. Every baby is different, so watch for hunger cues like rooting, sucking motions, or putting hands to mouth. Remember, breastfeeding can take practice. If you experience challenges,